Hi, in this video I will show how to use MDB to Xlsx converting app. This is my website. I will leave a link on this site into description. To find app I will type MDB tables, because MDB file could have tables, forms, and we are converting only tables, we are converting only data. And we need Xlsx format, it's new Excel format. I'll just click on it and click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until file will be downloaded from Google Cloud. This conversion app does not require installed installed Access or Excel on the machine or Office. It also can work from command line. So here, as you can see, archive has been downloaded from Google Cloud. I'll click on it and then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. With Microsoft you can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. And first step, I have to select MDB file I want to convert. I will click here and then select file. For example, I have this file, US and Canada States. It's just 2 tables in it, just for demonstration purposes. I'll click on it. If I have a password protected file, I have to enter password here, but I don't have a password. I click on next step. In next step, I have to select, I can select table I want to use for converting. You will see tables from your MDB file here. So, for example, if I want to select only US states, I can select this, or I can select this table. But if I want to convert all tables into Excel, I'll just click convert all tables. So let's do this now and click on next step. Next final step, I'll just click run to create Excel file, and here I'll have to specify name and location file. So documents location is okay, name is okay. I'll just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Now I can go and actually I can show you. I don't have Access installed, however I have Viewer app. It's just another web. It does not require Microsoft Access installed, but it can show data inside Access database. So you can see here is Canada States, and I can switch to US States. You can see all data is here. This is a free app, just for showing data into MDB, just for quickly displaying what is inside MDB tables. I can select table and I can see data. And also there is export. I can export table in any format I want. And yeah, so we can see there is a list of states, all states from Alaska to Wyoming and Alabama to Wyoming and California state, Canada states as well. And we converted it into Excel file, and I'll just double click. I don't have Excel here, but I have Excel mobile that just show it, and let's open it and see it. Yes, so first we have, I cannot modify or select or change Excel file, but you can see all states are here for Canada, and all states for US states are here as well. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. As I mentioned, this app can work in command line. If you just specify input file or output file, it will be converted to Excel from command line console as well. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.